Love you too. Love you too. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we will be making fluffy slime. So we have Tide contact solution, 4 shaving cream, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze, glue, white Elmer's glue, food coloring, 3 glitters,
That purple.
pink, blue,
No, that's purple.
whatever you want to call it.
Purple, blue, red.
And we have our bowls and our spoons. So let's get started. So we're pouring the glue first.
Okay.
Just eye it. It don't
I'm gonna
matter.
be pouring the glue first. Oh, that's so heavy. Yeah. It's gonna break.
Let me know when to stop.
Whoa. Stop.
That's
Stop.
not gonna be enough glue.
Stop. Okay.
Oh, this is heavy.
Stop. You're gonna waste all of it. You need some.
No, wait.
Guys, I think this is a little bit too much.
No, this is fluffy. Fluffy.
Lovely. But it's school glue.
We're gonna add shaving cream. Okay.
You got what? Wait, is that? That's
We
less
got
than
the
mine.
same amount.
We're going there.
Okay guys, so we have the glue poured in. So next we're gonna add the shaving cream.
Okay, we both get 2.
So we already figured out how to open this.
Yeah.
ASMR. Shh, ASMR.
ASMR.
You're still talking.
ASMR. Huh? I'm trying to squirt it out.
Because you gotta take the...
Whoa.
It stinks. It smells like clouds.
Yeah.
Do I know what clouds smell like? No.
Twist it?
No.
Don't
get it on the side of the bowl.
Okay. Is it empty?
There's still a lot. Okay. Even if that's not all of them, I'm finished with that.
Got some on my finger.
Did you see that?
I got some on my finger.
Me too. I flicked it and it went all the way over there. Thank you.
Finger.
It's a tool. Look at that. Oh my God.
It's everywhere.
Look how much is in here.
Oh, it's almost out.
I had to.
Ooh.
My
I'm not
ASMR,
done yet.
My quiet ASMR. I don't care. My first stir. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
It got
Bruh.
No, don't hurt. Thank you. Thank you, Watata.
It's all on my fingers.
Why did you sit on the chair?
No, it got on the chair. I'm gonna do it later. Slime is gonna be messy.
I think it stopped. Yeah, it stopped. Okay, that's
Start.
This is my second bottle. Oh, that's stirring first. This is more than yours.
This looks like cotton candy now.
This is more than yours.
I have more than that. Mine was like right here.
Mountain. Cotton candy. It's
Oh,
everywhere.
this is the wrong one.
put it on the side. Guys, this looks like cotton candy. Definitely. I want to eat it. Right.
My fingers hurt.
Got my spoon.
Oh my god!
What?
This
That's
is,
like a big
I think I made a mistake.
mistake.
Yeah, I think
You made some steak.
I put too much
shaving cream.
shaving cream. Cause it's not gluey. It's
Ooh.
Yeah, I always add more glue.
That feels so.
I'm gonna get some glue.
Glue, some school glue.
Yeah, because I
My arm
added too
hurts.
much. I'm gonna sit that right there.
Switch arms.
Put that right there.
Don't fall down. Get
Thank you.
Spoon. Oh no, this is gonna be disaster over there. It looks like you're painting. It looks like vanilla ice cream.
Exactly. Or like frosting.
Yeah. The glue looks like the vanilla ice cream, and the shaving cream looked like whipped cream, frosting for a cake. Okay, guys. So we're finna get the activator.
So you can add whichever one you want. You wanna use this one?
No, that's too big.
Okay. I'm gonna use both because I know both are really good. So do I pour it in here or just
Do you just twist this? Okay, guys, I'm gonna pour.
Squeeze it. Yes.
Squeeze.
Oh yes, this is already activating. And it's turning it blue. That's why I wanted it.
You can make it more blue if you get the
Food coloring. Yeah, I'm gonna use the food coloring.
in the blue glitter.
But it's like
yours can
chat.
be yours can yours can be
Stir it up. You
yours
gotta get to the
yours
bottom.
can be all blue and mine can be all red.
Sure. Guys, go watch our what was it? Lava lamp video.
Yeah.
It was a homemade lava lamp. And in that video we said that we're gonna be trying to do more science experiments every week. So that video will be the science experiment for this week, and next week we'll be hopefully doing another science
this in now?
experiment. So
Whoa. You got it in your eye?
no, I'll try this because it's our first time using it. The tie worked perfectly. In the last clip, guys, I did use some contact solution, and that worked
Oh,
good
this
too.
is
It's starting to work.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what I did. It was so cool. Should I touch it now?
No, you gotta get the rest of it at the bottom.
There's glue down here that's not activating.
What's it? Oh, that's just my spoon.
Oh,
Guys, this is not fluffy. I mean,
it's
it is
fluffy,
fluffy.
but it's hard to.
It is fluffy.
So look at your spoon.
Ooh.
Okay, mine.
Mine is that sticky, but it's sticky. The
So-
fluffy part on mine is not sticky, but the part where I put too much activator, It's thick.
So, how about we do a cool transition? Hey, you guys.
So I'm putting the glitter in right now.
This
Now
is a
the red.
Are you not gonna add food coloring? You should add the food coloring first.
Oh yeah, because the food color is gonna get on the glitter. But if I add the food coloring first, the glitter is gonna get the food coloring.
Exactly.
And
So you're
that's
supposed to
better.
add the food coloring first.
I didn't really think about that.
Big one. I'm gonna try to lift it. 3, 2, 1.
Blood. I don't look like blood so much.
Yours is
Get
gonna
some
look.
love.
Yours is gonna look like the American flag.
Don't put no more.
Okay. I'm gonna do food color. I'm gonna pick a random food color. Alright, so here's the colors.
Now I'm gonna do the red glitter.
No!
Go blue.
I opened my eyes. Okay.
Whoa, that's so pretty.
Um,
Guys, hashtag
No.
American flag. Guys, hashtag American flag on this.
okay.
It's blue again.
Okay, that is good.
Like, this is definitely the American flag. Done with the glitter. See that? Mix, mix, mix. Mix, 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 mix. Oh. I can't see the red. I can't see the red, but I can see the. Oh, yes, I can. See a little bit of the red. And
Okay, guys, this is a finished product. And we're going to take it out of the bowl in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, this is the finished product. Ugh.
yeah.
So, mine is stringy. It doesn't really stick together.
But mine's pink because I added red.
But anyways, mine is stringy. It doesn't really stick together. And it's really cold. And
Yeah, this is really cool.
it's half white and half blue. So, mine was kind of fail. But
Because why is it fail?
because I added too much shaving cream. So,
mine is like
hashtag, hashtag Big Blue.
probably blueberry.
Okay, guys. So,
This is that.
do you want to explain yours and tell them about yours and
Yeah.
name
So
yours?
guys, this is actually very fluffy and not that sticky. But it's not that sticky because I added a lot activator.
I did too, and that's why mine's
Hashtag American flag.
is pink. Yeah, I mean, okay.
Kind of.
I you should have did peppermint pink. No, not peppermint pink. Perfect pinky. I don't know.
What? Whoa!
I think I won. Even
No.
though mine was a fail, I think.
Whoa.
How about this? D would be quiet and let them hear the ASMR. Okay, you ready? You gotta be quiet, okay? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Whoa, it's a bubble right here. The bubble right here.
I can't do it. I forgot how to do the bubble.
I
think it might be too thick.
I still know how to do the bubble.
D probably could because
Yeah.
his is like perfect. My arms
Oh! That was cool.
Okay, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Okay, I'm gonna do the bubble right there.
If you did, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye.
Woo. Oh my spoon!
You ate your spoon.
Yeah.
Bloopers.
Yeah, bloopers.